Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable your two-factor authentication on Kucoin.
Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Kucoin app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you will see different options at the bottom of your screen. But we have to go up and tap on your profile at the top left. When I head on to profile at the top left corner of your screen, here, make sure click on to security. After clicking security, you will have a bunch of this verification and password options. And if you have set any, especially on Google verification, you'll want to remove that. So just remove it and there you go. You have now removed your two-factor authentication on Kucoin. So that's basically how you can disable your two-factor authentication on Kucoin. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.